Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. As you can see, I do not have an intro because I'm going to be showing you guys how to make an intro. So if you haven't seen my other video, that was the finished product of my intro. Go on my channel and you can find where it says my new intro. So first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to show you guys the apps that I use. Hopefully, some of these apps are for Android and iPhone as well. Hopefully that all of these apps work for either or. So the first app that I use is InShot. Is right under TikTok and right next to Pandora. This is a very good app to use. I do a lot of editing on here, and I made my intro on here. And the other app is Carvana. This is a very good app for templates, cool handwriting, stuff like that. I also use my logo on this app as well. I did my backdrop for my channel. Yeah, I did a lot of things on this app. I also made my intro. You can add different types of effects and all of that to your intro. Okay, and the other one I use, I know this one is definitely a Apple user only. It's called iMovie. I use this to add green screens to add more depth to my intro. So for all Android users, make sure you find a app that is able to add in green screen. But Apple users, you can just follow along in this video. Let's get started. Okay, so the first thing that I did was I went to Carvana. And I had looked up YouTube intro. Okay, now I have YouTube intro, and I actually did scroll through here to see if I seen anything that I liked, but I didn't. And then that's when I just scroll back up and I press blank intro, and just to pick your back color. Now if you want a decorative color, you can always go back to Google, and I'm just gonna look up cute intro wallpapers or intro backgrounds. So I'm just gonna find one. Let's see. Okay, like this one. So I'm just gonna save it. Now for Android, you might have to take a screenshot, but if not, you can always just save the photo to your gallery. Okay, then you press the plus button, and then you go to upload, and then you press upload media, and you press photo library or gallery. You're gonna add, then you're gonna press it, and then you're gonna be able to put it in there the way you want it to be. Okay, now that it is all set, you have a backdrop. Now I'm gonna do a second clip. It's gonna also be for boys. Now let's go ahead and show you guys how to add photos. You add photos the same way you add your background. If you want a background, if not, if you want a background like a plain background, you can just press the thing, and you can just press color, and I'm just gonna do purple. If you like a purple background, you can have purple background, but I'm going to be showing 3 different ways you can make a cool intro. So now the second part is to add pictures. Now I'm just going to choose some pictures that are already in my intro, and what you want to do is slant them and place them in an even place. I'm going to choose another one, place them, there you go. Alright, and then you're going to want to add your, or for boys, same thing for you. Right. And now I'll do the other one off camera. So, now, what you want to do is you want to press the photo and you want to move down to anime. Okay, anime is like the way that you want your intro to be and how you want your pictures to come in. Now I'm going to choose the one that I want. Some of these are premium and some of these are just regular. So I'm just going to choose one that is not premium. I'm going to choose this one. Slide. I'm going to do that for both. Okay. Alright. We'll do the same thing for boys. Actually, for the boys, I'm going to choose a different one. What I'm going to do now is going to go ahead and just press the plus button again and press text. Now you can choose the fronts, the one that says click text to add to page, or you can just press ones with like cool different colors, shapes, sizes, and all that stuff. So I'm just going to choose glow, and I'm going to put my YouTube name. I think I mixed up again. You're just gonna spread it. Now, if your thing comes out to be very, very big, just press these two side little bars and spread it out. It's not working for me right now. Okay, so now I want to do like this. Make it a little bit smaller like that. And then you can press the text and you press front. I like this one right here. I think it's called Old Aljo, something like that. I just like the writing like that, so I always press that type of writing. I misspelled life. I don't know what's going on with me today. Okay. So yeah, you already have this part right here. And then you press this, and then you also go to animation, and you can put none, you can do block, you can do typewriting where they type it in, you can do, I don't know what the name of this one is, I think ascend, you can do bounce, you can do burst, you can do roll, you can do shift, and you can do skate, and so on and so on. Okay, so the one I'm going to do scrapbook. It is, or should I do scrapbook? I don't know. Okay, this is just an example. So I'm just going to do neon. Alright, and for the boys, I'm just going to put alright, and you can also just choose a cute little animation, something like that. A bounce, cute bounce, something like that. This is giving me Caillou vibes. But this is this is just an example just to show you how it will look. Okay, now for the second part of your intro. Okay, don't worry about it. Okay, for the second part of your intro, you want to use the same one, or you can change the color of your intro, but I prefer to keep the same background. So I'm going to keep the same background as I did for the first one. Now the first one is just your intro. The second one is also going to be it is going to be the part where it says subscribe. Okay. Now now you have the word subscribe, and you can also go and change the front of this. I'm going to change it back to the one that I already had. I'm going to make this a little bit smaller. Okay, so I'm now if your wording is too big, just like this is now, this is where you go to front size and you just do like this so you can make it a little bit smaller. Now if it's too small, then you might have to press the back button. The back button is located at the top near the thing shaped like a house. So now I'm gonna just size it and place it right there. I'm gonna do the same thing for the boy. I'm gonna add another one. Okay, still purple, but it is fine because this is just an example. Okay, we are gonna use this again, and now you're gonna want to put subscribe as well. So you're gonna go ahead and do all these steps over again. And you're gonna put the word subscribe. Okay, now you have your subscribe button. You can go ahead and add the effect that you want. I'm just gonna put this. Alright. Now we can go ahead and move on to step number 3, which you're gonna add all of your social medias. So you're just gonna go ahead and add medias. I would prefer for you to do it like this. You have one right here, then you have your other one. But if you have more than 3 social medias, you might have to do it a different way. You might have to do it where Facebook is up here, where Snapchat is, and Instagram, Twitter, stuff like that can go like on the other sides. So now you have this side, and then now the next step is that you put the like button. Alright, so you can look up a like button, or you can always just find one on Canva. Okay, so I'm just gonna look up like button. Okay. Alright. Now you have your like button. You just save it to your photos. Do the same process which you did with other pictures. I'm gonna go ahead and save it, press it, and just place it. Now if your like button has something like this, you may have to look up a like button on Canva, because the like buttons offline seem to have like the extra white, and you might have to just go a whole nother step and find a whole bunch of stuff. But yeah, let's look up a like button on Canva. Now if it still works for you, you don't really care about the white, keep it, go for it. Okay, let's see, there we go. Okay, you can do a quick little like button like this. This is cute. Like button like this, and you can just go. You can also change the color. Like if I wanted to change this to pink, or you can change this to green. You can just alter it the way that you want it to. Yeah, just alter it the way you like it. So yeah, that is a like button. You also can add effects to that. You can add a fade, you can add a tremble. Yeah, you can even add some of the premium if you pay for it. Now we are down to the last one. The last one is just the ending page. You can put enjoy. You can also put a picture on there. I just put the word enjoy on the back of mine, and I just call it a day. So now we're gonna go ahead and move on to InShot. Okay, now that we are on InShot, I also have my intro right here. Do not worry about the extraness and the stuff that is in this video, because everything in here is not finished. Hold up. Okay. Alright, now we're just gonna go ahead and add. So now we are here with the intro. Now this is where you can go to YouTube, any place like that. Now for Android, I'm not really for sure on how you can screen record, but if you can find a way to screen record a song that you like, I had screen recorded the new Lizzo Cardi B Rumor song. I added that song to my intro because I thought it was a very good beat from the intro. And then you can also go on YouTube and you can find green screen stars for the girls. You can also do green screen intro effects. Yeah, a lot of stuff. Intro templates, stuff like that. You can do intro effects, like stuff like this. You can press on that, and you have subscribe buttons. If you want a green screen subscribe button, you can always do that. If you just want something extra like transitions and stuff like that. So I did add the this recording effect. I added that to mine. Then I also added the stars. No, I didn't add the stars. I added green screen heart stars. Yeah. But now I'm gonna show you the finished product. Yep. Alright guys, this is the end of the video. I hope you guys took advantage of this video. I hope you guys actually, use my video as to help you make a very simple intro. Like I made a simple intro for mine. It was very cute and it was very simple and it was actually very neat. Make sure you guys, if you haven't already subscribed, go ahead and subscribe and hit the like button. Make sure that you guys hit me up on TikTok, anything. If you watch this video or anything, TikTok, Facebook, Snapchat, anything, hit me up. But yeah, this is the end of the video. Bye. Also guys, I also forgot to show you guys how to add stars and stuff as a green screen. This is for iMovie. Apple user only. Sadly, I do not have an app that I don't know that if it supports Android or not. But hopefully you guys may find an app that works for you guys, and you can also just follow on this video and find out how to put a green screen on your video. So first thing you're going to do is just going to go ahead and add the plus. This is like towards the end of the video. I meant to add this in the video, but it's just going to be like a little ad. So you're going to press your first green screen that you have. You're going to press, okay, I messed up. Let me redo that. Let's delete that. You're going to press it. You're going to press these three dots, and you're going to press green/blue screen. And that is going to add an effect on your video while it's going, so it has more depth. Okay, and since you can only add one green screen, you're going to go ahead and press done. You're going to go ahead and save it. Save the video. Okay. Alright, I already have one saved. Okay, and you're going to go press edit. And you're basically just going to do the same thing, and this is your end. Even though this is not the music, but this is what your intro should look like when you add your green screen effects. Any type of effect will make your intro look very, very nice. Bye guys.